Hello Facebook. Hello everyone. Hello. Good evening to you all. Happy Sunday. This is your one and only Mama Triple A TV show. The channel for the talk about everything that is going around us. Okay. Happy Sunday to you all. Good evening to you all my lovers, all my beautiful and beautiful people of Mama Triple A. Thank you all and God bless you. Those that come me throughout this week that show me love, thank you. Thank you, I appreciate. Those are other best trainers for me. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, and may God bless you all. As you love me, that's why I love you now. Thank you very much.
Let them know what you're present. You didn't check the fact. Let them know what you belong.
Where are my people?
My you come here. Okay, when I am I will love you till the end. I will reference all your good deeds. I dedicate myself to you. Baba Yamewu, Evinuwe Onu Yamewu, Yamewu, Evinuwe Onu Yamewu.
Good evening to you all. Please, as we are coming in, help me to share the video so that they will know that we are here. Good evening. As you are just coming in, don't be selfish. Please, please, I'm begging. Help me to share the video. Please. Help me to share the video, please. Esse nubel, e gazeta CDB.
Why is it not enough for me to say thank you? You guys are looking good. I used to be a woman. Yeah, oh, Papa, you made me ready for me.
Esse nubel. Gazeta CDB.
Gazeta CDB.
Play more music. Play more. Me I play E-Friends. Oviedo Michele.
Pavesini, yogurt e frutti di bosco. È sempre l'ora dei
Happy Sunday.
Mama, can't you see you are the apple of me eyes? My mommy too good, oh, I'm a gay, I'm your mom, beg, and ye, yo. Your monogamy quest, I got it when he gay, and a beg, we mona. I give me jet and go, got in, no, he gave a moga, who you're a row. Oh, wait, no moga, who you're maro. He got carry, he don't know the name. On I am a gay, I saw any year, and I come and get some me. Yeah, why just a beggar, and no me and I neck, but no. No, ya dame. My mommy, oh, my mommy, oh, my mommy, oh. Yummy, oh, yummy, oh, yummy, oh.
Good evening, Facebook. Good evening. Please, as you are coming in, help me to share. Help me to share to your friends. Don't come and go, come and stay and listen. Look, mommy, where's you? Look, mommy, where's you? Hello, Facebook. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday once again. We'll play some music small before we talk about what we want to talk about today. Inayama dok mome weji yo. Inayama dok mome weji. More rock out together. We are my people now. You guys should come on board. Yeah. Yeah. My people, we are there. We are there. Excuse me, I drink water. Oh, thank you. When my people, when we talk calm, may we talk calm. Why we come out this evening? Why your lady come out this evening? You know, say Mama Chupo no just carry come out with that. I don't get good thing to give you guys. With that, I don't get good thing to give you guys. Happy Sunday once again. Thank you for loving me, and I love you guys too. If you know that you love me, know that I love you. If you know that you dislike me for no reason, know that I still love you. I don't dislike, I don't hate. I love everybody. Good evening to you all. If you see this video later or you watch it now, I greet you all and thank you all. So the matter when I want to talk about today, you can see the message there. I wrote it there. You can see the today topic, what I want to talk about. You can see it there. I want to talk about men that disrespect their women, especially their wife, that always say everything as abomination. They don't know how to help their wife. The day where their wife go tired, say only help me cook or help me carry children go school, they'll say an abomination. Everything na woman, na woman go cook, na woman go clean, na he go take care of the children, na he go take children go school, na he go carry them come back, na he go do everything, all the appointment for the children, na only woman go do am. So now the men wey get that kind of character, people dey enter, I know they see the name. Mona no vex, say I no call una name, greet you now. Una good evening, okay? Mona no vex. I don't know what I touch for this photo. The Mona no vex. I know they see. I don't know whether una right or una not right, but I know they see any comment. But I see say somebody just join us. Please, as you join us, help me to share the video. We want to talk about men wey no know how to help their woman. We don't know how to help them for domestic work. Now we want to talk about today. We want to tell they say no nice. You need to help your wife. She not be your slave. Oh, imagine say woman wey they carry pikin morning till night. The day when she will see tired, you see tell you say honey or darling or whatever they call you, say I beg if you prepare food where we go eat this evening. They'll say an abomination. It's not nice. My mother they help una wife. Abomination exist if I help overcome and live. I help overcome and vemoke school. Now your children, Sabrina, good evening. Bonosera, thank you. Gracias, Sabrina, gracias. So, men, wey they always they say, I know if you help my wife wash children clothes. Even though they fall. Their wife he wash cloth put hanger for outside, they no go fit help and carry am for outside. They say if they carry am, it mean say they don't lose their respect. No, my brother, wey get that kind of character, you no lose your respect at all. Remember say the day when you go pay her bride price, you tell they say you go take care of her. That work when you want to join and do for house, now you are still taking care of her, or you are still helping her. They not give you as your slave. They not give you make they serve you as a housekeeper. No. Men wey know they help their wife for this abroad where we dey. I beg, man, still leave the tradition small. Tradition not make you say may you not go carry your children for school. Tradition not hold you may you not help your wife cook. Tradition not hold you may you not go carry your children go school or bring them come back. Some men they don't know where their children daughter dey for this abroad. Not be say then you're too occupied for work. Oh, they know they go because say if I go, the woman not call they respect me. My friend call they look me like woman rapper. No, my brother. And if you get friend like that, where you go even to say if you help your wife for house, say you be woman rapper. That kind of friend, you need to run from her. In house, now if they cook, now if they wash, now if they do everything, what your wife supposed to do. Now your friend when they tell you say you not help your wife, now if they do one. I bet try make you find out wetin I dey tell you. So some friends they go tell you wetin they no fit do. They no dey cook for house, so they go say dem dey cook. Na both sides e dey. At the end, dem go still dey laugh you for outside. You see, na him dey cook, na him dey do everything for her. Me, I no dey do o. Fear no go let my wife tell me say me I go cook o. Fear no go let my wife tell me say carry children go see doctor o. Fear no go let my wife tell me say go bring children for school o. Fear no go let my wife tell me say help me mop na. My wife no go try, I go beat her. Even though Lord dey abroad say they no dey beat woman, I go beat her, I go tear her. No. Tradition no say make you no cook for your family. Tradition no say make you no carry your children go see doctor. Tradition no say make you no help your wife take care of the house. Even now, as the world don civilize, that tradition no even dey work as before for Nigeria, where woman go do everything. Abeg my brother wey you see dey abroad here, una don see civilize, una see the way oyibo take dey live their life. We suppose to dey learn from oyibo wey we come stay their country. Make we no go dey learn for Africa wey we live for many years. Make we no go dey see dey practice that character here. E no good. They say when you are in Roma, you behave as one. Make we no dey behave like people wey see dey village. E no nice. E no nice at all. E no nice. Mona dey behave well. Mona dey help una wife. Take care of your children, bath your children, take them go there, park or where children for dey play. Take them there. Your wife go still relax. Even though na 2 hours you still carry children go, she go still relax. Think well, e no easy. Money till now you go shout, talk. E no easy. Maybe some of women na they do part-time job. They go come back, they go cook. Children go do their homework. Now you go dey shout, go and take your book, go and do your homework. After all the work wey she go do, night go still come, you say you wan shine her bolobolo, e go still give you, you still shine her bolobolo. Do you know say body no be firewood? Say women dey tire. Woman wey don work morning till night, e don go fabric work, come back, e go cook, e go carry children go school, because you don take everything as abomination. You no go carry children go school, you no go bring them come back. If they get appointment for doctor, you know they take them to doctor. Nothing wey you dey do na for you to your go work, come back, you eat, you sham bolobolo, finish. No be so. No be so. Your wife no be your slave. Your wife supposed to be your queen. You see all those queen wey married to king, na so your wife still be, because you be king for the house. Your wife, you supposed to treat her like your queen. As if they treat you like your king, you supposed to treat her also as a queen wey she be to you. No understand? Abeg, una no dey maltreat women. Married men, na dey talk to, no be single girl, all those boyfriend and girlfriend. No, all those ones they never enter. Boy, if you do everything for you, if you dey friend and you once you don't marry am, you no go do again. No be boyfriend and girlfriend that they talk to today. Now married men wey you know they help their wife, wey you take everything like tradition, say abomination. If I help my wife cook, na abomination. More na no dey do am. Value your wife, respect her, love her, care for her, help her. No be abomination. Okay, what of white people? So I get many when I know wey be my friends, their husband na him go carry children go school. Before he go run go work, he go see from work come back, come carry children for school. He go carry them, still go where children for dey play. Before he go carry am go house, you go sit down with her, do her homework. He go still prepare food. Before you go shine our bolobolo. But some of our men, they not be like that. To African men, some of them, they not be like that. Their own who get work now to go work, come back, eat, go meet his friends where they advise her wrongly, come have, come give me a bolobolo. You do a bolobolo, you sleep. It no good. Mona they help on our wife. Mona they help on our wife. It no nice. It no nice. Mona dey help una wife. This video I no wan make it too long. I want you to talk and small the way it be, because the thing dey vex me. Okay, my people, if you know say you no dey help your wife, go and start it now. This one na 2020. If you come dey do am and they ask you say why you come dey help me now, tell am say you don change, you don change, you don learn. Our people, they no dey learn anything for this country. Wetin dey your day after na money. They no dey learn how to respect woman. They no dey learn how to help woman. They no dey learn how to obey law. They no dey learn the way oyibo take value human being well say they no wan see blood. Our people no dey learn. Some of them they will still get that character wey dey with them for house before they come. They no value human being. They no dey respect women. E get some when they go even see pregnant woman inside tray or inside bus, they no go get up make that pregnant woman sit down. They go sit down though they see pregnant woman. But if you enter tray or you both see you say you get belle, oh my God, all of them they get up for chair make you sit down. Come sit down here, come sit down here, come sit down here. Don't they drag me? You come sit down. But some of our people, even though the woman want even boy daily, but they not go get up. Don't sit down, that Africa character they see carry and come here. It no nice, more and change, more na they learn. More na dey learn. Nigeria no good, Nigeria no good. You still make am good. If you still let this thing, you still share, teach your people for house. Na good thing. See, if you call them, tell them who they beat their wife. More na no dey beat una wife. Na crime here. Oh, no try am again. Oh, you dey tell them the law wey e dey if you beat your wife. They will see the law say I no go try am. If this kind of law dey here, say since when I dey beat this woman, I for not dey outside again. Oh, na prison for go dey sing hallelujah. You for not dey here. Thank you for your love. Thank you. Thank you for your love. I do understand my people. I beg. More na dey learn wetin una see for abroad. More na dey learn the good thing. More na no dey learn the bad character wey still dey, because white people they still get their bad character. Imagine now our young girls now wey no dey smoke for house. They don't dey smoke because they see oyibo they smoke. They don't dey smoke. Carry a cigarette put for left hand. When you no be man. And you know say that cigarette when you dey smoke, fear no go let you try am for Africa. Tomorrow you say you dey find man. I no see you. I just do everything for the man. At the end come disappoint me. Which African man wan carry smoker? They no go carry you. Either na igbo, na normal cigar. No normal guy, our African guy, they no go carry. Now no igbo go dey tolerate that one because na their culture. I believe say na their culture. Even 16 years they smoke here. I believe say na their culture. My people, more na no dey let bad thing wey oyibo dey do. More na dey let the good one. More na dey let the good one wey they do. More na dey let the good one. Especially how to obey law of the country where you dey. More na dey obey law. More na dey obey law. Many of our people they dey here, they don't know anything. They go enter trade, they go beat the law. They go enter bus, they go beat the law. Police go stop them, they go beat the law. Mona they learn how to obey law. Country where you dey respect the law. E no easy. If Africa be like this, none of us go comot for house. We no go comot, we go stay there. We don't come here now. They don't give us freedom. Now here, our people come. They say my rights, my rights. Which of your rights they take? You not go meet your president, may give you your rights. Now their prime minister here one can give you the rights. Eh? Why you no hold your criminal politician for house where you come from? Make they give you your right. Then they hold your rights. You not tear their head. Now here where it can save you, give you accommodation, give you everything, pay you. You see disrespect there. Some of our brother, our sister, I bet more na stop. More na they let the good thing where they abroad where we come so. Good thing dey where we go left for here still teach our people for house. Many things dey where we go learn here we will still teach our people for house. Learn how to obey law. Learn how to respect the country where you dey. Respect their people. Yes, so say why I go respect. They don't be person like me. Wetin if your country good, wetin you can do for here? Wetin you can do for here when you no go respect people wey get their country? Person go come your papa house where you go disrespect you no go walk am out. Don't say ready. Yes, if their hand meet you, you are going. You go back to your country where you come from. Now there you belong. You not belong here. You not belong here. More na they respect their law. More na they respect their law. More na let good thing where e dey. Our young girls where they smoke. More na stop. more na so we no be white even though you get passport. There is no how white people take address you and their own blood and their own real citizen. No, you remain black, you remain Africa person. You remain Africa person. More na stop. You not be man. If man even they smoke, it they irritate some of women. Like me, I not like man where they smoke. My husband not they smoke. Why me or can they smoke? Where you can they breathe that one? Me and you know say Africa where we come for. If woman where they smoke, me they run for her. You can't come here now. You can't see opportunity free cheap cigarettes. €4 you don't buy a cigar. You want call they smoke like Oyibo. Now so you build the door. You not get work. You they smoke. You know see and say you go take for single where you did. You go tell you go tell you. You go remain there, they go, they shine your bolo, they go. If you don't know, they go shine and finish, they go leave you. Who want carry smoker? They can't give you money, may you take cook. You offer come cigarette for inside. Now lie, now you be joker. You be joker. Sin go never tire you. You sin go tire you. No be person go tell you make you stop that cigar when you dey smoke. Before you go stop am by yourself. Because no be all men like women wey dey smoke. No be all like her. Imagine by some days ago where I want enter bus, see small girls, they put cigar for hand, and they don't know where they go. They just they smoke, they talk. Bus where they want even enter, they don't know where they for want enter because of cigarette. Whole cigar no they kick o. You wey smoke, me wey no smoke. Now the same code they be 2 of us. Cigar no they drive code. Cigar no they kill depression. Depression remain the same if you not comot am for your mind. If you don't make yourself happy, depression remain there. Sickness remain there. If you don't find solution, put for the thing, whatever you dey think for your mind, it remain there. Cigar, you know they kill depression. Cigar, no they kill sickness. Sickness. Even though you drink, you sleep. If you wake up, you constantly meet the same thing where you dey think. Wetin make you drink without you not go solve. You still meet am there. You see meet and there. Una stop the bad thing when una dey learn from Oyibo. Una leave the good thing when una supposed to learn. Una dey learn the bad one. Una no see and say una still dey backward. Una still dey backward like una president. Una still dey backward. Some of us wey some of the way they do am. Una still dey backward like una president. As this abroad your sweet reach, una no see good thing learn. Una dey learn the bad thing. See our sisters now. Lesbian full everywhere. Waiting no dey happen for where una come from. Una come dey practice am. Children wey never even reach anything. I no dey against you now. I dey tell una make una change. Because now person give birth to you. Why you no come give birth to pikin? Why you no come give birth to pikin? If you marry woman like yourself, you go fit give birth. If your mama marry woman, if you follow woman the way you dey follow woman, e go fit give birth to you. The answer is no. I'm not there against you now. You feel do whatever you want to do, whatever that please you, you can do it. That one not concern me. That one are your cup of tea. But the same time, it's not nice. Change. More na let good thing where you did this country. More na let good thing where you did this abroad where we come. More na let the sweet things where you did. Wait till you feel say teach others where you never come. Say where I come from. See the way you be. See the way you not be. I beg more na change. I don't want to make this video too long because time don't go. Tomorrow na school. I know say na where they go school. All mothers know. If your children they go school, you see for they go school. Now you go drop them. You wake up with them. You know. That's what we'll talk and reach this evening. And I love you all. If you know say you dey disrespect your wife, as you see this message, my brother, change. Value your wife. Respect her. Treat her as a queen wey she be. Na queen now. They'll say man na the head, woman na the neck. If neck no dey, head no go stand. Why you come dey maltreat her? He go ask of small things. Say help me cook, you say no. Help me carry children go school, you say no. Even though no be, you know say women we no stingy. We know how to respect man. African women they know how to respect man. No be every day. Sometimes when you go still tired, you still ask. I beg, if you help me bring the children back for school, you go say, okay, not take you anything na your children. You not comot anything for your body. Don't let anybody deceive you. abeg. And my brother and my sister, this one na new year, try and let the good thing wey e dey the country wey you dey, leave the bad one and take the good one wey e dey. Learn how to obey their law. If you enter trade, don't beat law. If you enter board, don't beat law. If controller come, respect them. Even though you don't have ticket, talk to them with respect. No shout say na your papa buy the bus. No, you dey spoil the country. If we wey e come long time ago do am, you go fit come? The answer is no. You no fit come. You no fit come. Una no just spoil am for the one wey still dey come for road. E no nice. If you see law wey dey come dey bring come out now, e no dey. Na because of some of the way some of our people take dey behave, na it make dem come dey bring hard law come out. Law wey no go even favour some of them. Abeg make una try obey their law. Na dey get their country. Na help dem dey o. Some ẹ̀gbọ́n ma nìyẹn. Na help dem dey. They are good, no fit kill them. Make una try obey their law. Make una no dey fight with their police. Make una no dey fight with their controller wey dey control ticket. Abeg make una try relax your mind. If you no get money to buy ticket, carry your bicycle. Carry bicycle, go buy bicycle. If you no get money for ticket, you carry your bicycle. Crime no dey. Nobody wey no dey drive bicycle. Once summer come, everybody get bicycle. Go bring your own bicycle come out. Even this winter, everybody still dey drive bicycle. Abeg my people, make una change. Una wey dey do am for inside, make una change. That's why I talk and reach this evening. I no fit shout for una matter. E don tey wey people dey tell una make una change. Na still say me I still tell una. If una no still hear their own, God fit still touch una, una fit still hear my own. Make una change. Okay? If you have anything to share with me, you want to call me, my number is there. If you go to my YouTube, my number is there. My Facebook, my number is everywhere on my Facebook. You can contact my number. You can take my number there and contact me. Okay? If you know that you are not subscribed in my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? I love you, I love you. No be for mouth o. You want me I come knock for your door before you go subscribe? No, I no go knock for your door. If you love me, go and subscribe. No watch this video and go free. No be you dey pay my internet. Go and subscribe. Go and subscribe before I go hold you. I mean, I joke I dey. If you see this video, go and subscribe for my YouTube channel so that we can grow together. Subscribe, If you subscribe for me, e no make me rich overnight. Say me and Dangote we be mates. No. If you subscribe, e no pay my bills. Subscribe so that anytime I upload, you go get notification. I no know that billion dey YouTube. If money dey YouTube, why everybody never enter? Una know dey think say if I subscribe for na money dey wan pay, and which money? Na so e be, na so e easy. Everybody never enter. Una subscribe and like our page. Share my video. Why you go see the video, you go watch am, you say this video e make sense, you know come share. E good. E good. Only you wan enjoy good thing. E no nice, my people. If you know say you really love me, share my video. If you still share the video, write me personal, I will say thank you to you. Okay? Na so I talk and reach. I don't want to pass this one again. Na so we talk and reach. I remain your one and only. You know now, Mama Triple A TV, the channel where they for they talk about everything. You never hear. Come here, I tell you. Come. Run, come here, I tell you. Mama Triple A TV, the channel where they for they talk about everything. Go and subscribe and press the notification button and follow her on her Facebook page, Mama Triple A TV show on her Facebook page, and follow her for Instagram also, Mama Triple A. Okay, I love you all. May God bless you. Shalom.